Hey, what's going on, everybody? So you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. I want to welcome you guys here to the So Darn Easy Forex movement. This is where, I help people from all across the world change their perspective, change the way they look at trading Forex, all right? Now listen, as I always tell you guys, I realize you guys could be anywhere in the world, but you're here watching this video, and I want to thank you kindly for doing so, all right? Now, something else, if you guys are not yet connected with me on social media, of course that's Facebook, that's Instagram, you guys need to get connected with me there. If you're not yet a part of the 26,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, get subscribed to this channel right now. Make sure that you're able to receive videos when I drop them like that, alright? And also, we're on Vimeo now. We have a small community there, putting videos there as well. Get connected there as well, alright? Now, today's video will be something a little different. All right. I know that many of you have this misconception about in order for you to make money in Forex, you have to have lots of money. That's so far from the truth. All right. That's far from the truth. I want you guys to know, I want to be in your face a little bit and tell you, do not believe that misconception. Do not believe that lie. You do not need to have all this money in the world to be able to make money. A lot of people with a lot of money, they don't know what to do with their money, so they lose their money. A lot of people with a little bit of money, they live like kings and queens because they know how to manage their money, all right? The same thing goes in Forex. You can have a really big account and have a little strength in your account, and sized up to someone with a smaller account, they can have a whole lot of strength in their account, and they can control more of the market than you, all right? Think of it just like in real estate, all right? If someone is over leveraged, if someone is tapped out leverage-wise in real estate, that means they don't have no buying power, all right? They may have a lot of real estate on paper, but they don't have any buying power. If there was another deal that may have come along, they couldn't entertain the deal because they're strapped, all right? They're over leveraged. Versus someone maybe with a modest amount of money, they may have the accessibility or the strength or have the ability to entertain a deal. So I want you guys to realize you do not need to have a whole lot of money to make money in Forex. You have to know what to do with your money in Forex. And this is why, having a solid money management plan will always reign king in this field, all right? A lot of you are, I'm sure I'm talking to a lot of people right now. I want you guys to really feel what it is that I'm telling you, okay? Because I know a lot of you are struggling with managing your money, okay? I made a video before. I think I may have put it on. Instagram. I could have made a video here, and I talked about, money management. I made plenty of videos on money management, but money management is so important. It's a huge part of trading. When you select that volume size, it's really go time. It's really do or die. So it's not over until you say, okay, I'm going to accept this loss, boom, or I'm going to accept this profit, boom. And then that's when everything's tallied up. That's when you get to start over anew. So I want to tell you guys, seriously, please stop over leveraging your account. Many of you are fantastic traders. Many of you, just like I tell my students, I feel like there are a lot of great traders out here, but they consistently lose, not because they're not good traders, but because their accounts are mismanaged financially. They over leverage their account. If I took a group of 500 students and I said, listen, which way is this market moving? The majority of them would say it's moving in the direction that I feel the market is moving. You may have a few who may not know, but more people would be able to determine and see which way the market is going, up or down. But the reason why they lose is because they mismanage their money. Okay? Or they may enter at the wrong place. You can still trade the market up, get in at the wrong place, and you still can lose. And a lot of that has to do with, poor money management too. So one of the two can cause you to lose. So I want you guys to really know you have to have solid money management when you're trading Forex. You have to realize that, you know, just because you have a small account, it doesn't mean you can't grow that account. You have to be very selective with a smaller account with your entry. You have to be very selective. You have to know, okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get in right here. I'm gonna be very conservative about my approach, because if I be aggressive with a smaller account, I can throw my account into a little frenzy. So I'm gonna be more conservative and make sure that, you know what, maybe I have like, you know, I can see I have more reason to get in. You know, some people, they say, man, did you see that candle? Man, you better get in on that. I know it's going to go in that direction. Whereas someone who's more conservative, because that will be the more aggressive approach, someone who's more conservative, they may say, well, you know what, I'm going to wait until I see more reason to get in. You know, I don't want to just get in just because I see that the market is pushing down. You know, that's aggressive. You know, or the market is pushing up. That's aggressive. You want to have more than, you know, reason to get in. I mean, seriously. So, you know, that's very important, ladies and gentlemen. It really is. Just know that if you have that smaller account, you need to be more conservative with your entries so that you can slowly increase that, you know, the value in your account. In my next video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk a little deeper into you know, trade account sizes and, you know, the values, because I think it's very important that we as a Forex community know just how all this stuff works. You know, a lot of times these things aren't talked about, but I'm gonna raise the bar a little. I'm gonna talk about these things. But anyway, listen, this is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to make another string of videos. I want you guys to really get in tune with what it is that I think about it, all right? I want you guys to know this. As always, you guys know, if you're not yet connected to me on social media, that's Facebook, of course, that's Instagram. You guys get connected there. If you're not yet a part of the 26,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel right here, get subscribed and make sure you catch us on Vimeo, all right? Listen, you guys, have a fantastic day. Peace.